Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your display orientation settings in your Windows PC. So first of all, you guys will have to open Windows settings in the laptop or your PC by selecting Windows button plus I button. And after that, you guys can see here this display option. Now just select on this, and now in the scale and layout category you guys can see display orientation, and here you guys can see this landscape option. Now just select on the scroll down button and you can select one of these options like portrait. You guys can see that the settings have been changed. You guys can keep change these settings or just revert it by selecting this button like this. And you guys can also fill up the sides of landscape and portrait by selecting these options like this. So that's how you guys can change the display orientation in your Windows laptop or computer. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.